Hi everyone, I'm Rudy Winston with Canon USA, with news of a significant new full-frame mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS R8. Housed in a body even lighter than the EOS RP camera, the full-frame EOS R8 joins the RP in the EOS line. It's an even more advanced camera with big improvements in video, electronic shutter performance, and especially autofocus. The EOS R8 is a great step up into a mirrorless, full-frame camera. Full frame brings its own advantages. Excellent low noise performance, even better background blurring in some situations, and a variety of wide-angle lens choices. In fact, a new ultra-compact RF 24 to 50mm standard zoom lens makes its debut along with the EOS R8. Video takes a major step forward, especially for casual content creators who want to raise their game. 4K can be recorded at up to 60 frames per second from the full width of the image sensor. And there's slow motion in Full HD, up to 180 frames per second. Canon's outstanding dual-pixel Cmos autofocus, including remarkable subject detect capability and AF tracking to follow subjects around the entire frame, is there for video and stills. And for stills, the EOS R8 is a fantastic travel, landscape, and portrait partner. Enhanced image processing emphasizes sharpness and delivers even more fine detail from its 24 million pixels. It shoots up to 6 frames per second with first curtain electronic shutter, and opens up excellent wildlife and action possibilities with full electronic shutter at up to 40 frames per second, with excellent correction of rolling shutter distortion. 3 high dynamic range options in camera, focus bracketing with built-in compositing, and in-camera stitching of panoramic images are some of what the EOS R8 brings to enthusiast photographers. The compact body provides the great handling and light weight of the previous EOS RP, and adds new controls for quick switching from video to stills and one-handed on-off lock control. We're really excited about the new full-frame possibilities the EOS R8 opens up for creative enthusiasts. The R8 joins the current EOS RP, giving full-frame buyers 2 impressive, lightweight mirrorless camera choices in the Canon EOS line. For Canon USA, I'm Rudy Winston.